cutter and then a whiz bolt. And then he have a net and then a rope and then he have a knife and then this is the cutter and then he have a symbol, police symbol is have to. And then this is the siren and then